Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 48. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we begin at 525 Market Street Plaza and Fountain, and then walk down Market Street towards Beale Street, continuing all the way to the corner of Spear Street. The plaza at 525 Market Street offers a brief pause from the bustle of the financial district. Built as part of the 1970s era skyscraper development, the plaza was designed to provide open space in compliance with San Francisco's privately owned public open space requirements, often referred to as POPOS. These regulations, introduced in the 1980s, encouraged developers to give something back to the public in exchange for building taller towers. The fountain here, with its modernistic design, provides both visual interest and a calming break amid the tall walls of glass and steel. As we step back onto Market Street and continue eastward, the character of the street subtly changes. We are approaching the Embarcadero area, where markets narrow slightly and traffic becomes a steady flow of buses, streetcars and taxis. To our right and left, office towers dominate the skyline. Many of these were constructed during the post-war boom, reflecting a change towards corporate modernism with simple, functional facades and open lobby spaces. Crossing Beale Street, you can sense the connection to San Francisco's waterfront history. Beale is named after Edward Beale, a 19th century naval officer and landowner who played a role in the early development of California. This area, once closer to the bay itself, was transformed in the late 19th and early 20th centuries when large sections of the waterfront were filled in to create new land for commercial and industrial use. The modern towers that rise here stand on ground that was once tidal flats. Continuing down to the corner of Spear Street, we arrive at another historic name. Spear Street honors Nathan Spear, one of San Francisco's earliest merchants, who established trading operations here in the 1830s and 1840s. The street that now bears his name is lined with corporate headquarters and financial firms, but it is a reminder of the city's earliest commercial roots. This section of Market Street today feels like a gateway to the Embarcadero, where the financial district meets waterfront. From here, Spear Street runs north towards the ferry building, while Market continues straight to its dramatic end at the Embarcadero Plaza. And that concludes our walk for today. From the modern plaza and fountain at 525 Market, past the arteries of Beale Street, and down to the historic name of Spear Street, a path that reflects both the modern corporate identity and the deep commercial roots of San Francisco.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.